Fuck her right in the pussy. Started from the bottom, now it could.
Okay.
Why is your name Carl?
Papa.
Carl.
Tonight,
Pre-fart,
hey,
yeah.
20. What you don't know about blank could kill you.
Obvious choice.
What you don't know about concealing a boner could kill you. What you don't know about my first period could kill you.
Menstrual rage. Do it. What's my anti-drug? I hate you all. You get to pick my anti-drug. Me personally, so it's gonna have something to do with a dick. Or anal. I was right, the blood of Christ.
Was that a
What's your...
blank?
No.
No. What's my anti-drug? A salty surprise. What's my anti-drug? Satan. Well, you know.
What's that sound? Friction. What's that sound? A live studio audience. I don't know. They're really pretty. To me, I don't really think they're.
They're really dumb.
Friction doesn't make a sound.
Exactly.
It can.
Or if you like spit on your hand and rub them together.
Why would you do that? Did you really just do that?
Yeah.
I wish I hadn't lost the instruction manual for blank. I wish I hadn't lost the instruction manual for existing. I wish I had lost the instruction manual for literally eating food.
Was that a blank?
No. It's like Barry, but hairy.
Shut up.
Listen, Billy, I like you. But if you want fish, you're gonna have to show me your cock.
Oh my
You're
god.
gonna have to show me a surprising amount of hair. You're gonna have to show me a bigger, blacker dick. I like penises.
Everybody join hands and close your eyes. Do you sense that? That's the presence of blank in the room. I see the first one, I'm like, what else? Do you sense that? That's the presence of me. And if you're talking to everyone, they already know that.
That's why it's funny.
Do you sense that? That's the presence of the black half of Barack Obama in this room.
I just wanted to get rid of me. I'm a bad person. Billy Mays here for... The card I just got went... Billy Mays here for blowjobs for everyone. Billy Mays here for... the Gulf of Mexico. I say... There we go.
Oh god, I finally got another point. Cheers, hottest album. Of course, mixtape by me.
I wish I had the me card.
The year's hottest album is Bestiality.
That's bestiality.
Bestiality.
No, that's...
Oh,
Oh yeah, it is.
Just pretend it says bestiality.
Bestiality by Glory Holes.
They misspelled it. 'Cause
Hottest album is A Machete by a sassy black woman.
last time.
After
you choose.
I'm actually gonna have to go with this one just cause Bestiality.
What is bestiality?
Look it up.
Who stole the cookies from the cookie jar? Jenny, it was you. Who stole the cookies from the cookie jar? Children on leashes. Or appreciative napping. Snapping. Oh, wait, what?
When all else fails, I can always masturbate too. A dog's wiener sticking out in the hot sun. Masturbate too. The World of Warcraft. Same
Yay.
way.
What the world? Well, that was funny.
Not enough.
God damn.
Now the real question is, why say I'm thinking about a dog's wiener sticking out in the hot sun? I drink to forget blank. I drink to forget slapping a racist old lady. I drink to forget Auschwitz. Yeah, that
What
was a
is
good one.
Auschwitz?
It's where my
The
grandfather died.
Holocaust?
He fell off a guard tower.
Oh,
It's
hey
Holocaust.
baby, come back to my place and I'll show you.
Oh my god.
And I'll show you a sweet spaceship. And I'll show you jizz. Obviously.
What a blank card.
What's my secret power? Morgan Freeman's voice. Or white privilege.
Dang
Yep,
it.
Morgan Freeman.
What never fails to liven up the party? Incest. Oh, West Virginia.
I don't know.
Dear. So fucked up. The Harlem Globetrotters. I'm gonna.
A successful job interview begins with a firm handshake and ends with blank.
Oh my
And ends with
god.
cancer. A firm handshake and ends with punching a tree to gather wood. That obviously makes sense. I like the cancer one.
My mom freaked out when she looked at my browser history and found blank.com/blank. My mom freaked out when she looked at my browser history and found KanyeWest.com/friction. My mom freaked out when she looked at my browser history and found chocolate.com/whipping it out.
Pick that one. That was Sam's. Whipping it out in the butt.
Yeah.
Yeah. What gives me uncontrollable gas? The land of chocolate. Picture of boobs. The tiniest shred of evidence that God is dead.
Oh my god.
Is dead.
Oh.
Forget everything you know about blank because now we've supercharged it with blank.
I'm not going to lie. I
deposit just.
I despise blank. There, I said it. I'm not going to lie. I despise having shotguns for legs. There, I said it. I'm not going to lie. I despise crumpets with the queen.
I want shotguns for legs.
It doesn't really make sense.
Hi, this is Jim from accounting. I hate that class. We noticed a $1,200 charge labeled blank. Can you explain? Scrotal frostbite. Safe-sex ice dancing? What the fuck?
I don't know which one would be harder to explain.
Read.
In his newest and most difficult stunt, David Blaine must escape from diarrhea. David Blaine must escape from a defective condom. Or he must escape from an unfriendly slap.
A dog slap. Now, bookstores. The Audacity of Blank by Barack Obama. The Audacity of Raping and Pillaging by Barack Obama. A vague fear
Oh my
of something
god,
called
how do you
ISIS.
get that? How do you get that? My gym teacher got fired for adding blank to the obstacle course. My gym teacher got fired for adding vigorous jazz hands. What in the world? My gym teacher got fired for adding futuristic death sports. Carl Papa.
MTV's new. Yeah. Okay, MTV's new reality show features 8 washed-up celebrities living with cancer, living with goblins, living with giant sperm from outer space.
You know who won that. When you get right down to it, blank is just blank. When you get right down to it, poopy diapers is just horse meat. Ew. When you get right down to it, coughing into a vagina is just a fart. I'm gonna have to pick that one.
Ah, dang it.
The blind date was going horribly until we discovered our shared interest in incest. My boyfriend's stupid penis. Raping blind people. Oh, we already know who won that one.
We're not like other new organizations. Here at Slickline, we welcome blank in the office.
Incest.
We're not like the other new organizations here at Slickline. We welcome involving a labyrinth vagina in the office. We welcome winning the approval of Cookie Mama that you never got from actual Mama in the office.
What?
That's too much to fucking read. The other one wins.
During sex. Oh my god, I'm just like, I'll do this one.
During sex, I like to think about.
Well, sometimes Bubba told me he liked to have sex with the shrimp boat.
Shut up!
During sex, I like to think about breaking out into song and why?
What the heck?
During sex, I like to think about the secret formula of I thought I was gonna say the Krabby Patty formula. I have to go with that one though.
He only has 1 point till he wins.
Yeah. Discovery Channel presents Dick Week. Poor People Week. Grave Robbing Week. Poor People Week.
The grave robbing was pretty good.
What the heck?
The time has come to commence Operation Blood Farts. The time has come to commence operation, and it... I don't even like that one at all.
A regrettable $9 hot dog.
I'll go with this one then.
Aha.
Let's go.
Dang, I don't like reading the face.
God, you have two. Here's the church, here's the steeple. Open the doors and see all the black people.
Dude.
Open the doors and there's men. Open the doors and there's a horse with no legs. I like men.
Are you serious? How? Sam.
Oh, sorry. Wise man said everything is about sex, except sex. Sex is about blank. Everything is about sex, except sex. Sex is about the moist, demanding chasm of his mouth. Sex is about
His mouth? What in the world? I won the first two rounds
there,
and haven't got any
young
more.
scientists, put on your lab coats and strap on your safety goggles because today we're learning about sex.
Oh my god.
He's dead.
Shut up.
Today we're learning about meaningless sex. Because today we're learning about getting into a situation with an owlbear. What the crap?
Man, bear, pig.
That one's gotta win though.
I like shit.
I am
say-
become blank, destroyer of blank.
I am become grammar destroyer of literature.
Money can't buy me love, but it can buy me PCP. But it can buy me an old man. Technically, that is your love.
This holiday season, Tim Allen must overcome his fear of blank to save Christmas. Overcome his fear of giant shrimp from outer space to save Christmas. Overcome his fear of redneck massacre to save Christmas. That's better for me. Yeah.
Favorite delicacy is a supermassive black hole stuffed with mime having a stroke. Favorite delicacy is Barack Obama stuffed with jizz.
Oh!
Am
What
I
brought the
having a
orgy
stroke?
to a grinding halt?
I'm having a stroke.
What brought the orgy to a grinding halt? Child abuse.
Jesus. Dead.
What brought the orgy to a grinding halt? Filling a man's anus with concrete.
I like boys.
We have Satan numbers.
666. I'll say. Good as dead.
I love how all of us noticed that. What's the one thing that makes an elf instantly ejaculate?
I got a good one.
What's the one thing that makes an elf instantly ejaculate? Peeing a little bit. What's the one thing that makes an elf instantly ejaculate? Crying. What the heck?
So random.
That was not a blank card. In Rome, there are whisperers that the Vatican has a secret room devoted to blank. The secret room devoted to breeding elk or their priceless semen. Okay. The Vatican has a secret room devoted to glory holes. Probably the semen one would probably be funnier.
I don't mean to brag. Michael Jordan of anal.
I got it! I got the card!
You did not get anal.
No. You'll see it.
If it's good, I'm picking it. I read yours also, by the way, Sam, in my head. Just to make sure.
During Picasso's often overlooked brown period, he produced hundreds of paintings of.
I'm pretty sure that's called shit. Why? Why?
Sinners must endure their mom's saggy titties swaying back and forth in the air for all eternity. That's pretty gross. Or they must endure fingering for all of eternity. God dang it, he left.
That was a blank card. I was trying to think of the worst thing ever, and that's
That was a blank card?
yes.